Now, I want you to do woo, that same ooh we feel. Whoa,
Whoa,
oh. Now, whoa, oh, oh.
whoa, oh,
Now, whoa, oh, oh, ooh, ooh. Now, do whoa, whoa, oh, oh, ee. There we go. See that relaxed feeling? How it sets everything free inside of your mask? Sets
yeah,
all things free in there. Okay? And you're not even thinking about your voice here. You're thinking about expressing it here. Because hey, all the vocal cord is just a rudder to make the sound. That's all. And it's amplified here. If there's no amplification, that means that somehow the muscles are too stiff.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you got to keep your face, your mask, you got to keep it open and free. And even as you close your eyes, they're still open. They see your feelings. You see? It's
Yes.
that's the way it feels. And that's your sound. Okay?
Steve.
So let's go to the whoa. No, 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 no. You went, whoa, you went here. You went here. Whoa, you went there. Don't go there. Go, woo. Stay in the, do this. Woo. Woo.
Woo!
Again,
Woo!
woo. Again,
Woo!
again.
Woo!
Do this. Hee,
Woo!
hee,
Eh,
hee.
eh,
Now, don't pull in.
eh,
Don't pull in. Spread out when you go. Hee. Spread this way.
eh,
One more time. Hee.
eh.
Now put whoa in that. Hee. Whoa.
Whoa!
Yes, do it on woo. Now
Woo!
do it on way. You see how
Way!
it brightens up that way?
Yeah,
Why? Because it all started on woo and wee.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do it on wah. Wah.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Ah.
Ah!
Don't push it. Ah. Let it free.
Ah!
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Ah!
We're going back this way. We're not going up this way. We're going back to. Do that one again. Now don't pull up. Don't let it crawl up your back. Don't let it crawl up your back. You got to keep your shoulders back. And that will give a passageway to use more of your back.
Still back.
Wow. Yeah. How does that feel?
This is cleaner.
Yes, yes. And these are the little notes. Don't worry about it. What if you practice this, and I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to send it to your day to day, and then and she's going to make sure you get it. Okay, like the posture thing. I'm going to send this video to her.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're gonna get this video and you're gonna practice these wah 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 wah. Sam Cooke. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That whoa is really cool. Whoa! Even if you want to get into that kind of soul hollering, you know how
Okay.
to holler, how to do that R&B scream. You got
Hmm.
that. Yeah. The one that Marvin Gaye does sometimes.
He does do his
Yeah.
thing.
But notice when he's singing more in this light head voice, which is
Hmm.
the more, and then he goes with the strong hard stuff. But you got
Hmm.
to have, as an R&B singer, you have to have good head voice and good chest voice and a lot of nerve.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got, and a lot of confidence to go after the note, even if you can't, quite imagine it. You just go for the note because it's part of your soul and it's part of what you're feeling right then. You know what I mean? And you got to take
Yeah.
some risks, with your voice. But you got to develop certain habits now that will, when you are in your laissez-faire kind of singing, when you just singing, then you don't go for it, but you build your stamina and your strength in your voice by building your diaphragmatic awareness, being
Yes.
aware that you're using your whole body to sing and not just your throat. And then
Which is the main thing I've been learning.
this is the part that's got to be relaxed. This is part of relax, and you got to feel strongly. The more you understand your breath, the stronger your singing becomes, because then you're able to say what you got to say using more of yourself to say it, not just this.
I like that.
Okay. We will take up here and get a soundtrack for that song. Get a soundtrack,
Yes.
and we're going to nail it over and over again. So that a
Perfect, man.
song
I'm
that
looking.
length, see, you're starting with a great song, and I thank whoever y'all for putting it together, because he uses a lot of soul in this song, and we can
Hmm.
go and find the soul of it, what it's really talking about, and learn how to articulate it and direct it as we sing. Learn how to breathe it, how to
Yeah.
inhale the whole song, and you got it
Yes.
because you own your power and own your breath. Okay, that's the goal. Is that worthy? Because in the
That's
interim, your voice will develop, your awareness of a soul song becomes better. And so that's the payoff. It's not just being able to sing it like he sing it. It's being able to use all the things that he did to make that song. And from
that's
that, we
good.
develop our own stuff from that. But we just want to know what's going on vocally and how to healthily express that. Because maybe after that
Yes.
song, singing it like that, I know a lot of vocalists go in the studio and they over and over and beat out a song, and then the producer stitches it all together and make it seem like one song. But then when they get on stage, they can't do it because they need
I
too
know
many
that's right. I
times to
think.
do it. If it took
Yeah.
you 15 times to find that one note, how you going to find it one time when you get on stage and you got the crowd and you got everything? You can't
Come
find it.
on, man. You preaching better than they backing you up. I agree. I
All
agree.
right, man. I appreciate working with you, man, and I hope you're learning. But the onus is on you. You gotta go and you gotta groove this stuff into your voice and find your own way of
Mhm.
understanding it by singing. Okay.
Definitely. It's